Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar, and this is the end of day one. So, yeah, I realized a lot of things. One thing that I said that I will be, focusing less on theories. Well, I actually have to modify that because in chemistry and in maths too, there are, lots of concepts that the basic concepts which are very important for JE Advance. And after reading today, I realized that I should focus almost equally on theory and question part. And by theory I mean the basic part. For example, if there is any formula which requires integration, then each and every step of integration. I'm not talking about the easy ones, I am talking about the real complex one. So in mains we usually revise the formula. We don't go through the derivation, but in advance the derivation is very important because they change the basic formulas. They might change, yeah, you must be knowing that they change the basic setup. So there are some hypothetical cases. So yeah, that was one thing. The another thing was I forgot to ask you guys whether I should be uploading videos at 1.5x speed. So this is a normal speed video, and I'm sure you must have watched my previous videos. So do comment down whether 1.5x is fine or I should upload normal speed videos. So this one is a normal speed video. I will check your comments and I will adjust accordingly. So yeah, if you don't like the 1.5x, please comment down. I won't be uploading upcoming videos at 1.5x. So yeah, that's completely up to you whether you are fine with that or not. I said I will be completing 4 chapters, out of which one was optional. The 4 chapters that I said I will be doing was electrostatics, gravitation, mole concept, and quadratic equation. Well, out of which quadratic equation was optional. I completed quadratic equation and current electricity, and these are the only 2 chapters that I completed. So yeah, it's I know it's pretty less. As I said yesterday, I might take this day off. Well, my exam was on yesterday's second shift, and I'm not sure how many of you read the comment, but there was my leg was paining, seriously paining. I was not able to sleep due to that pain, so I woke up today and applied some gel, and then I slept again. So yeah, there was leg pain. So that is one reason. The another reason was it was due to transportation. So I won't explain that. Basically I went out today in the evening, and that was for bit long time. It was, I think I was out for around 4 hours. So yeah, that was it. And my morning, yeah, I didn't wake up in the morning at type, and that was the reason I was not able to complete today's target as I planned. Although I chose electrostatics and gravitation because I was decent at them, I saw the questions of electrostatics and gravitation, and I realized that before my JE mains, I actually solved JE advanced question. I am not saying that that was unintentional. I intentionally solved only JE advanced questions. So I have already solved previous year chapter wise questions, I think around twice. So I am not sure whether I should be solving those same questions thrice, or I should try to solve questions from another source. So yeah, I'm not sure about that. I will figure that out very quick, and I will try to make balance between all the source. So that I will be doing. So I think it's pretty long video, so I will keep it that much. And one more thing that I did today was I actually planned my 20 days. So yeah, I know I daily upload video in the morning and evening. I could plan give you all my plans for 20 days, but that is a rough sketch of 20 days. Okay, that is a rough sketch that excuse me. Okay, so that is just a rough sketch of how much chapters I will be completing on which day and which chapters, because yeah, the and one suggestion. Okay, so I realized, I'm sorry, so yeah, I realized you should plan your 20 days. Okay, you can go with me, or you can plan your own. Okay, but you have to pre-plan it. It's not that आज ये करेंगे बस कल का पता नहीं. I don't do like that. I know I say that I will do these chapters today, but I roughly have a plan on my mind of the upcoming 20 days. So yeah, that you should also be doing. And yeah, though if you have any tough questions, if you would like any questions that we all should discuss, then you can give me that question on our Telegram group. So yeah, I will be putting down the link in description. So yeah, that's it for today. I will try to wake up tomorrow in time, the previous schedule, and if I am able to wake up at that time, that means I am motivated and I am focused. And if I am not able to wake up at 4:30, that means I am not focused enough. So yeah, I know that is the reason I wake up at 4:30, because if I am able to wake up, that tells me whether I am motivated and focused or not. So yeah, that's it. So I will be linking 2 videos here and a subscribe button here. So yeah, that's it. Bye.